July is a time for celebration and reflection. As we commemorate the United States Independence Day and recognize Minority Mental Health Awareness Month, let us also embrace the principles of grace, gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. Independence Day reminds us of the freedoms we cherish and the unity that strengthens our nation. It is a time to reflect on the values that define us and to express gratitude for the liberties we enjoy. July is also Minority Mental Health Awareness Month, a crucial time to acknowledge the unique challenges faced by minority communities. It is an opportunity to promote understanding, support, and wellness for all. Living in grace means practicing gratitude, showing appreciation for the freedoms and opportunities we have. Respect is about honoring our diverse backgrounds and the strength that comes from our differences. Accountability empowers us to take ownership of our action and make positive changes in our communities. Courage gives us the strength to face our fears, to stand up for what is right, and to support those in need. Engagement encourages us to actively participate in our communities, fostering connections and building a supportive network for everyone. We also want to take this moment to congratulate the Lyceum team for their outstanding work. This past month, they successfully delivered the Grace After School program at the Multiple Intelligence School in Vietnam, serving 180 fifth graders. Their dedication and hard work make a significant impact on these young minds. Additionally, the Great Summer Camp at Van Houston Academy in Houston, Texas was a resounding success, serving 60 students aged 10 to 12. The camp provided a nurturing environment where children could learn, grow, and thrive. Well done, team! This July, let us celebrate our nation's independence, promote mental health awareness, and live with grace. Together, we can create a more inclusive, compassionate, and resilient society.